everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I sit here doing this type of video talking to you all. It feels weird, but weird in a good way. So I went to the drugstore today and I thought that I would share to you what I got from the drugstore. Although doing haul videos nowadays is not that very popular anymore, but I feel like there has been a lot of new products that are available here in Japan, especially here in Japan. Some Japanese makeup brands, skincare brands that I really been wanting to try and also wanted to share to you all. So I got a few of them and I am so excited to share this to all of you. So let's get started right away. So as you all know, I really love my skincare. That is very, very important to me, guys. Now that I am already in my 40s, I really need to step up my game on my skincare. Fine lines are showing a lot more, so it's really, really different. My skin is very, very different now compared to when I was 20 or 30. So some products that I got is not necessarily cater for matured skin, but hopefully this will work on me since I also still have a acne prone skin, easily congested skin, so hopefully this will work. So yeah, I'm gonna show it to you right now. So let's start with some face creams, I guess, although I did not get a lot. So let's go ahead and start with skincare. So the first one that I'm gonna show you, I guess, is this one from Sana. It's the Isoplavon. I don't know if you remember, but I did a video on the Sana Isopropyl, but this one is a different one. This is the whitening one. This is a different line from Sana, and it says here that it is #1. So I was thrilled to get this, and also this is catered for Nikibi, which is acne for acnes, and yeah. I don't know if this is for teens specifically, but it says since I have an acne prone skin, so I wanted to try this one. It's #1. So the next one is still from Sana. This is what skin lotion, I guess, the skin emotion, I don't know. Sometimes Japanese name their products very differently, so I think this one belongs to the emotion. It's like a moisturizer, but a lighter type of moisturizer compared to this one. This one is a gel type and this one is like an emotion, and it also says it's #1, so it's catered for acne prone skin as well, and this also helps in widening your breakout scars, I guess. Then I also pick up this one from, I don't know what this is, what's the brand of this, but this one, guys, this is a toner. This has salicylic acid. I've used this in the past and this works so well with acne prone skin or with congested skin. So yeah, and it also says #1, so better. Yeah, it's a repeat product. Next is this one from Unlabeled Lab. This is a retinol product. I've tried this already and I really like this. That's why I purchased this again. This is inexpensive because this is very, very affordable. It is a very mild retinol. You can use this every day, so I really enjoyed using this one, so I repurchased this again. Then I saw something interesting, which is this one from Misha. It is their vitamin C spot correcting and firming essence. I'm kind of intrigued. I like Misha. I like my BB cream from Misha. Hopefully this one will work on me because I am still searching for a better vitamin C serum that will not oxidize so quickly, because vitamin C serum is very, very sensitive. It oxidizes very quickly if not stored correctly, and some, even though still stored correctly, they still oxidize. So yeah, pretty much excited to get this one. I don't know if this one is considered expensive, but this has only 30 ml and 2,000 yen. Then I got this toner. This is a very, very popular toner or skin conditioner That's what they call this here in Japan. From Natori. This is very popular, guys. This is a #1. This has a #1 ranking as well. I don't know if you already heard about this, but this is really very, very popular here. I've already used this one, and this is very good, and it's very affordable. So can't resist buying this. And now, since it's the summer, I got some sunscreen, and of course I got my favorite one from, what is this, Sankat. I always forgot the name of this one. I like this. I featured this on my shorts. I really liked it, so that's why I purchased it again. And then I also got this one from Sana. This is very popular. They say, I saw a video on this one on YouTube, a short. I guess this is very popular now here in Japan. That's why it says #1. And yeah, I got the one in whitening base because I want something that has a tone up effect on my face. So hopefully this will not break me out. Yeah, hopefully. Pretty much excited to use this. This has an SPF of 40, though it's not 50. So yay. Another SPF from Euromina Plus. This is from Kose. This is also a tone up type SPF. This says Pure Glow Oshiroi UV Milk from Kose. Pretty much excited. I swatched this on the store, and this swatched so beautifully. It makes your skin glowing. I mean, the back of my hand glowing. So hopefully this will make my face glowy too. Then I went to the cosmetics aisle, and I saw this one from Zizan. It's their makeup spray. I needed one because the one that I got is already kind of old. So I wanted to try this one. This is very inexpensive, so hopefully this will work. This is the Zizan Make Fix Mist. Yeah, very, very affordable from Zizan. Then I got a blush from Ali. I don't know. Yeah, blush. I don't know. This is not a cream. It's more of a liquid, or I don't know. I forgot. It's the same with NARS, but yeah, it has an SPF 50++. Amazing for a blush. SPF plus from Ali. So I got the shade Lucent Pink. Hopefully this will work, or I don't know. It's pink, but I wanted a pink blush, a cooler undertone blush. So I haven't seen a cooler undertone blush here lately, so that's why I got interested in buying this one. A little expensive for this very small, but only 15 grams. So can't wait to try this blush from Ali that has a UV protection as well. Then I also saw this concealer, dual concealer from Daisoholic. I have a concealer from Daisoholic, and I tell you guys, the Daisoholic concealer is very, very pigmented. It covers so well. Yeah, very, very pigmented. You could compare that one with like MAC. I forgot my MAC concealer. Pro Longwear concealer from MAC. But the only downside with this Daisoholic concealer is that it is very thick, and it kind of settles here on my under eye, yeah, wrinkles. So it's much catered for younger skin. But this one, I swatched this at the store, and it's not as thick compared to the other Daisoholic concealer. This is the duo type. It has a stick and a liquid. Yeah, kind of excited to try this one from Daisoholic. I also got another one from Zizan. This is a blush. This is very inexpensive. I like Zizan blushes because they are not only inexpensive, but they are very beautiful to the skin. It doesn't look that much powdery. And yeah, it's just amazing. So I got the number 14 shade. I feel like lately I've been buying a lot of Zizan products because it's very inexpensive and it performs very well. Yeah, and yeah, it's really worth the price. Inexpensive and performs very well. Cannot beat it. So I got this eyebrow pencil skin. This is only 0.9 millimeter diameter eyebrow pencil. I think this is very similar to Benefits, like yung slim, I don't know what's the name. I forgot what's the name. Precisely My Brow concept. Yeah, this is very thin. So I've never tried a very thin eyebrow pencil. So yeah, let's see how this works. from Design. Also got me an eyeliner. I got the black one. This is a liquid eyeliner. I don't know if I could still use a liquid eyeliner. I haven't bought a liquid eyeliner for the longest time because my eyes are getting very hoodie already, and yeah, it doesn't look as good as compared to when I was still young. But this is very affordable, not cheap, affordable. So I wanted to try to use again a liquid eyeliner. So yeah, I don't know what brand is this. This is the first time that I got this, but I got this because it says #1 on the ranking. Then a mascara. Ran out of mascara already. I wanted to try a different mascara. It's been a long time that I've used the Hair and Weight mascara. So this is from Fashion. Yeah, it's the packaging is so cute. That's why I decided to get this one from Fashion. I got the one that is in long and in black. So yeah, that's the main reason. Next is this juicy lip tint from Kenmate, which definitely looks so juicy when I swatched this on the store. And I got the shade 07. Yeah, it's more like a cool toned or mauve color. Last but not the least, this mascara from Maybelline. Oh my gosh, you guys, I tell you, this is very popular here now in Japan. That's why I really wanted to test this out. It's like sold out anywhere, everywhere, like for like how many months. Since last year, I tried to buy this one. I saw this at Amazon, but I don't want to buy from Amazon because it's a little expensive there. So yeah, and finally it's available. So finally got my hands on this one. This is very popular. Hopefully this will deliver. And yeah, I got a freebie also. So that's all that I got. And yeah, I know haul videos are not very popular nowadays, but for me, I still wanted to watch haul videos because like I've always say, that haul videos gives me an idea on what to buy, where to buy, and yeah, I just wanted to know what are the new products, the old products, the products that most people tend to use. Yeah, something like that. So I need some reference on what to buy, especially on skincare, cosmetics, and whatnot. And hopefully this video help you decide on what you want to buy next at the drugstore or a skincare or whatnot. So I guess that's all it for this video, and I hope that this has helped you, and I hopefully you've enjoyed watching this one. Thank you always for tuning in, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. Thank you once again, and hope to see you on the next one. Bye.